Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset WooCommerce product listings, complete guide step by step clearly. To reset WooCommerce product listings, start by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to the plugins section on the left sidebar. Click on Add New. In the search bar, type WooCommerce Product CSV Import Suite. Find the plugin in the search, click on Settings. Select the Products tab. From the Products tab, click on Import. Now, you need to prepare a CSV file containing your product listings. Open a spreadsheet program like Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets. Create a new spreadsheet with the appropriate columns for your products. These columns typically include SKU, product name, price, and description. After entering the information, save the file as a CSV. Return to your WordPress dashboard. Go back to WooCommerce and then click on Settings. Select Products and navigate to the Import section. Click on Choose File and select the CSV file you created. Before you upload, ensure that the correct column mappings are set. Click on Run the Importer. Your product listings will now start to reset based on the CSV file. Once the import is complete, check your Products section to verify the changes. If you need to remove old listings, return to the Products area. From there, select the products you wish to delete. Click on Bulk Actions, then select Move to Trash. Finally, empty your trash to finalize the removal of old listings. Your WooCommerce product listings are now successfully reset. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.